research interests are in writing in the health sciences, and more specifically in writing in the behavioral health sciences and rhetoric, everyday rhetorics in behavioral health sciences. So for example, a project that I worked on involved adults with chronic mental illnesses, and I hung around with them and took some field notes and made recordings and tracked some of their everyday rhetorical strategies, and identified recuperative ethos as a sort of dominant trait, and that is where I could tell that they were trying to embed in their everyday talk indications of their credibility in the wake of highly stigmatizing illness experiences. So that's sort of one slice of that project, and currently I'm looking at writing as healing, and specifically undergraduates' experiences with written emotional disclosure in courses where their work is graded and their perceptions of this. So, for example, looking at issues like candor, are they writing things as they actually happened, or are they feeling a pressure by virtue of the prompt to add embellishments or to change details? Do they think this is helpful in terms of making them better thinkers, better writers? Those kinds of dispositions, because it seems like a lot of the work out there was maybe a little more anecdotal, like, oh, I did this project with my students and they all really, really enjoyed it and they said it went really well. And I thought, that's interesting, and I'm with you, but I wonder what these folks would say after the class is over to someone who's not their professor. So I recruited students that I didn't know before, and that I had never had students who have disclosed personal information about their lives for school assignments when they thought that the prompt was asking for that. So that's been very interesting. So those are two sort of recent examples.